Hey guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great and studying hard for the upcoming A-level exam. Well, only a few months left, so it's time to start a countdown. So this is the requested endocrine Q&A setup. For a long time, this section has not majorly questioned in the A-level paper, so there's a possibility for this to appear in the structured essay, and also might be a good essay question if combined with the homeostasis section. So as usual, you can use the link in the description to download the tutorial. You can use this to revise the whole section of endocrine system. And if you're interested in joining with the theory classes or the speed revision, please join the WhatsApp group. I have linked that also in the description. In both the classes, the ongoing lesson is animal form and function, which is unit number 5. So I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe and support my channel, and see you soon from a new video. Bye.